Hi there. I'm Linda Hunt, founder of SumSolutions and author of The Money Conversation. And if you've been circling the idea of raising your rates but keep stalling, this video is for you. Maybe you've done the math. Maybe you've written your new number down. But when it's time to actually say it out loud, your voice wobbles. You hesitate. You wait and see. Here's what I want you to know. That's not a strategy problem. That is your nervous system signaling you and saying, this feels risky. Raising your rates is not just about picking a new number. It's about what that number says about you and to you. Will they think I'm greedy, right? Will they leave? Will I lose everything I've built? The real fear isn't the number. It's the pressure. It's the story, the meaning that we assign to it. And if no one ever taught you how to price from clarity instead of fear, you're not broken. You are just untrained. And that's what we're shifting today. So I'd like to share with you three, there are 5 of these, but 3 signs that it's time to raise your rates. So I want to ground this in something practical. Okay, so here are 3 of those signs. The first one is you're over-delivering. Your offers have evolved. There's more prep time, there's more support, but your price has stayed the same. Okay. Second sign is you feel a subtle dread when someone books with you, not because you don't care, but because you know you're not being compensated in alignment with the energy it takes to deliver well. And you are attracting clients who push your boundaries. Here's the truth. Undercharging does not bring ease. It brings misalignment. It attracts the wrong clients. So if any of those resonate, you know it's time. But knowing it's time and knowing how to do it well are 2 different things. You don't need a magic number. What you need is a structure that holds you when the fear kicks in. In my Raising Your Rates workshop, I walk you through the exact framework to know when it's time to raise your prices. What to say clearly, calmly, and without the wobble, and how to hold your rate with confidence even if someone pushes back, because they will push back, right? Because this isn't about being fearless. It is about having a system strong enough to hold you while you feel the fear. If this is the piece you've been struggling with, raising your rates, I want you to start here. This workshop is part of my Pricing Essential series. It's a set of modular trainings designed to give you the clarity, structure, and energetic support to shift your entire relationship with your pricing. You can start with this workshop, Raising Your Rates, if that's where you are feeling the most friction, right? Come back for the others when you're ready, or bundle them all and save. The choice is yours. But I promise you, you're going to walk away with the actionable steps to implement Raising Your Rates. These workshops were built to help you create a pricing system that holds you strategically, energetically, and practically. Because this isn't just about charging more. It's about building a business that doesn't drain you. So click on the link below and I'll see you inside.